A very happy day to my dear students. I hope you all are fit, fine, and healthy. I, Angel Singh, welcome you all to the online English classes for today. Children, today we are going to learn a poem. The title of the poem is Downhill on a Bicycle, which is written by Henry Charles Beeching. I'll read out the poem for you first. With lifted feet, hands still, I am poised, and down the hill, dart with heedful mind, the air goes by in a wind. Swifter and yet more swift, till the heart with a mighty lift makes the lungs laugh, the throat cry, O bird, see, see, bird, I fly. Is this your joy? O bird, then I, though a boy, for a golden moment share your feathery life in air. A very beautiful poem which is describing the thrill that a boy is going through while he's riding a bicycle down the hill. In the first paragraph, we see that the boy is enjoying the speed. Slowly, he's making his bicycle to pace up. But at the same time, he is very poised. He has balanced himself. He has stood his hands still. Means he is very careful at the same time. And as soon as he rides the bicycle slowly and slowly, he is making the sudden and quick movement. In the second paragraph, he is moving very swiftly and his heart is throbbing heavily now. But he's enjoying this adrenaline that is going through his body. He is thrilled at the same time. This adventure of his is making him laugh. Here, the lines is written as makes the lungs laugh. Personification is used by the poet, where lungs laugh means he is breathing heavily. And with the speed, with that excitement, he is crying out loud. Crying here, children, does not mean that he's crying in sorrow. It means the shrilling voice that is coming out of his throat because of that speed. And then he sees the bird and he tries to fly along with it. And at the same time, he is repeating the line, is this, is this. Here, the repetition is used. The poet is making an emphasis on the joys of flying. Now he is able to realize how the birds fly and how they enjoy that flight. And he is saying to the bird that though he is a boy, but he still has got a golden chance to share this moment of the life of a bird, and he is sharing the feathers in the air, which means that he is sharing the joy of flying along with the birds. So in very short words, very little words, the poet has explained us his experience of riding a bicycle. Though he is enjoying the speed, but at the same time he is mature enough to balance the speed, control the speed and balance the cycle. So I hope, children, you loved the poem. Go through it again, go through the difficult words and be blessed. Thank you so much. God bless you all.